I'm David Ireland, the Wildlife Man. Now I've been producing and filming wildlife documentaries for major TV networks like Discovery Channel for over 30 years. I am available now to primary schools with my Wildlife Man marine animal presentations. My presentations include me telling short stories on how I filmed an amazing variety of marine life. I also include interesting facts about each species. I back up my presentations with video footage of each animal featured. Now here are some of the marine animals I include in my presentations. The giants of the oceans, the humpback whales, now the ancient sea travellers, the green and the loggerhead turtles. Now an amazing variety of fish life, including strange pufferfish that can inflate their bodies bigger than a soccer ball. Now wonderful, intelligent creatures that can fly like giant eagles underwater. Creatures with wingspans over 6 meters wide. The magnificent manta rays. And huge gropers that can swallow even a shark in a single gulp. And the highly developed ocean predators, the sharks, so important for the health of our oceans. And also many more amazing animals. I cater for children from 6 to 12 years. For further information and bookings, just email me. And I look forward to educating and entertaining the children at your school.